Hey, my dear friends. I hope you've all been healthy and everything's been going well and you've enjoyed yourself so far and that you're in a great mood too. Everything's awesome, awesome, awesome. Welcome to another video from the Cronus series. Thanks for being here, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Turn on notifications so whenever I upload a new video, you get the alert right away, can watch it, enjoy it, and it's all yours. All right, guys, let's get on with the video. Guys, the Cronus company has released game packs for Black Ops 6 and Warzone 4. They've updated the Cronus Zen and added it to the Zen Studio program, as you can see. So if you're playing Black Ops 6, it's obviously been updated, and if you're playing Warzone 4 with the Cronus Zen, its script has also been updated. Now for you guys, I'm talking about Call of Duty Warzone 4 with Cronus Zen. I'll tell you what new features have been added and how much stronger and better it's become. All right, so in the program, let's scroll down a bit, guys. Look, as we scroll down here, it says Call of Duty Black Ops 6 with Cronus Zen. You can easily select it and load it onto one of these scripts, or as we scroll further down, you'll see it. Here it says Call of Duty Warzone 4 Beam 2, which has also been updated, and you can easily get it too. Just drop it into one of these empty slots, or so-called empty slides on the Cronus Zen, hit the Program Device button, and it'll be saved to your device. Now guys, I'll tell you what things you need to do, and the Call of Duty Warzone 4 Beam 2 game is actually the game pack that Cronus Zen itself has updated. In their own Discord, guys, it says that this, if you look closely, it says Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Beam Game Pack Season 3, which is now on Black Ops 6. They've released an update for it. A bit further down, they've given more explanations again about Call of Duty Warzone 4 or Beam 2 Game Pack Season 3. They've clearly explained to you guys what it is in Call of Duty Warzone 4 and Beam 2, which is in Season 3. Now with this update, the music has gotten so much better, guys. I mean, I really tested it myself. Shout out to them for the video, seriously. And here they've explained what new things have been added, guys. If you noticed, in the previous version, the silencer was only up to version 3, but now they've released version 4, and let me tell you, it's seriously awesome. It's so much easier now, guys. Aiming, even switching weapons, has really changed a lot. In the knife section, guys, there are a lot more details in the video, and things have really changed. It looks much sharper now. They've added a new weapon, which was the Kilo 141, or maybe the GRAU or SWAT, if I'm not mistaken. It was the 5.56 that they added in previous seasons, and they've also added the CR5, the AMAX, and the HDR. Guys, they've also brought in full auto for anti-recoil, and they've really boosted this feature. In the mode where you're sensitive to weapons, like when you open chat or chatting, it's really improved your aiming. In chat mode, guys, all the auto kits or full support kits have been added and really strengthened. For example, in the updates, in the options section, or in the same settings section, it's been added, guys. Kilo has also been updated, especially for the CR56 AMAX and the Kilo 141. In the performance section, or let's say the anti-recoil, it's now available in the so-called anti-recoil, and it's been added to the IAR, SMG, DMR, or LMG. It's been really buffed, meaning before, for example, you definitely had to control the recoil from the head to hit the target. Now it's gotten much better, guys. Cronus themselves said to play on linear mode, because a lot of people set it to dynamic. And honestly, most of the people who make videos do that. They post on YouTube and say for ClawFit, set it to dynamic. But Cronus themselves said to set it to linear because they said they've really improved the control and then enhanced the aim assist for all weapons and for any class, whether it's AR, SMG, DMR, LMG, sniper, or anything else. And then they've made the rapid fire much better. And in a way, the auto music feature has actually become really great. And for you guys, the auto aim assist for weapons, whether you want it or not, is now excellent. For weapons like pistols or shotguns, it's become much more accurate, meaning when you shoot, it's way more precise now. Another thing, guys, is that a lot of you play in a certain way here. You set it to rapid fire mode. Basically, it empties the magazine of the weapon faster, or in other words, it brings your time to kill way, way down. Unfortunately, a lot of people, for example, go into matches and play like this. They suddenly get 40 or 60 kills, obviously. Anyone who's a pro player will realize that you're using an assist, which is basically rapid fire. In my personal opinion, if your aim is strong, guys, you should turn off rapid fire. But if your aim isn't strong, you can leave rapid fire on. All right, guys, let's get into the game so you can easily see what the new setting is. Okay, guys, we're in the game now, and the game pack is for Call of Duty Warzone 4, version 2, which just got its new update, and I want to explain its settings to you. So first, I'm going to the game pack. As you can see, it's Call of Duty Warzone 4, version 2. All right, as you can see, I'm using the AK-74, which you can now see displayed here on the RCD. After I went to the menu, as I said, you hold down L2 and options together for a short time, and this is with the mod layout, which, as I mentioned, is nothing special. Now, for those general settings that you can customize yourself, in the stick layout section, you can set it to dynamic, linear, or standard mode. It depends on your own movement and aim, but the Cronus company itself recommends setting it to linear. When you click on any of these options, remember that in my previous videos, in the settings section, I mentioned something important. I said that your right men should be 10, your left men should be 5, your ADS-X should be 99, and your ADS-Y should be 75. Don't touch the rest, because then you'll get into things like parachute modes and other stuff that affects your movement in the air. I'll make a circle and then move on to the next option. Here guys, your F and V keys, when you press X, you can set it to 115 or even higher or lower if you want. In the block section guys, leave it empty. In the anti-recoil section, as you can see, enable it by pressing X. This definitely needs to be set to off enemy. Here again, you can adjust your primary weapon in your unique profile. You can change its X and Y settings, so to speak. When you scroll down for the camera, you go to your second weapon in your unique profile. Now, I'm going back. Again, guys, do I hold L2 briefly for the options? I'm scrolling down, guys. Look right here. These are the profiles, and you can have up to 3 profiles here. So you can set up your next weapons, guys. You remember, Silent Aim version 4, the old one, only had 3 so-called mode versions. For Silent Aim now, there are only 2, version 1 and version 4. Naturally, version 4 is stronger, so I select that to save it. Then I go back, and again, guys, I scroll down. Then there's Aim Assist Boost, guys, which I mentioned is either on control or on you use mouse and keyboard. And make sure, guys, that this isn't disabled. You can set it to options 1, 2, or 3. Right now, I've set it to 3. I go back. Guys, this is where I said, don't turn on rapid fire. If your aim is good, look, there are a few modes. The first mode is disabled, the second is rapid fire, then dynamic fire, akimbo fire, and then again disabled. If your aim is good, then set it to disabled. But if your aim isn't that strong, you can set it to rapid fire, set it to the best option. Now, for its other different robots, when you shoot, when you ADS or shoot, when you just shoot again, the on fire mode, the music comes back again on those same modes that I explained earlier. Okay, I'll set it to on fire, put an X, and scroll down to shot mode, which I'll show you guys. I said it's like jump shot, drop shot, or other things that you can activate yourself if you like. Guys, it's mix mode. So when you open this list, here it says quick scopes, sniper, or holding your breath for sniping, turbo melee, I don't know, slide cancel, and other modes. You can easily enable or disable these options, even for the weapons. Guys, I'll show you now that they've added the weapons in this loadout. So obviously, which one is Kilo? He said the AMAX is one of the assault rifles. All right, I'll select the assault rifle and keep going so I can show you. Look, the CR56 Max, that's the same as the AMAX, guys. And then as I go further, the Kilo 141 is here too, guys. They brought it in. I'll go back again to show you that you can do it in this mode, he said. The powerful SWAT 556 assault rifle is also available for us right here, guys. I am going to bring it up on the screen for you right now. Look, guys, the SWAT 556 is here too, and just like that, you see, they've added the guns so easily. It's super easy. You can just come into the loadout, for example, pick the AMAX, and the AMAX will show up. They've added these guys, and pay attention, they've made the AMAX a lot stronger, as you can see. I'm not even aiming, I'm just moving the direction, and you can see the recoil is way stronger now. I mean, if you look closely at how it functioned before, it would just slightly sway back and forth, but now it really tracks and locks on right around the exact part where the enemy is positioned. You clearly saw that happen just now, didn't you? I'm just moving the direction, and now when I aim down sights, I'm still moving. Look, you can see it. Because there's, so to speak, a bot behind it, it switches to that bot when you see it. It switches to that bot, without me even changing direction at all. You see? It's that easy, bro. Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. I hope the video was useful for you. Watch it, enjoy, and with this awesome new update, go rack up a bunch of kills with the Kilo and MX guns. Crush it and have a blast with the MX as well. Guys, make sure to follow the Telegram channel and Discord, because every time I upload a video on YouTube, if it needs a program or any kind of file, I always post it on Telegram and Discord. And on Discord, I share all the latest game packs from around the world. So you can easily get the Johnny mod. I'm saying it again. Don't pay money for script game packs. Just download them there and put them on your Cronus. Enjoy it and have fun. So make sure to follow. I'd really appreciate it. Guys, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. All of it. Turn it all on so whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification right away, watch it, enjoy it, and bless every single one of you. Don't forget, first, don't waste your money. Second, try to stay healthy. And third, you know you're my love. Until the next video, goodbye.